What's new, crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cassandra, and today we are doing a full week of kids' lunches. Now that it is officially summer break, lunches are things I always get questions on, how I manage lunches, some lunch ideas, things that are like really quick, simple, easy, but still are on most days somewhat healthy. So I'm going to show you guys basically how we do lunches, and then we'll come back and talk at the end. Today for lunch I pulled out leftovers from last night. So we had some queso chicken quesadillas and some Mexican rice, and then we pulled out some sides like grapes and strawberries, blueberries, mostly berries because those are going to go bad first from grocery shopping. And then we also pulled out some hard-boiled eggs, some spinach from the garden, some garden salad mix, sour cream, salsa. So that was lunch today. Very simple, very easy, just heated it up. And I love doing leftovers for lunch, especially during the summer. So we don't always have them. It was nice that last night we did. So this was lunch for today. Today we're doing Aldi pizza for lunch. It was grocery shopping day. This is an example of a kid's plate, but pulled out watermelon that I cut up this morning, and then they're pairing blueberries with it as well that we just got from shopping. So this is sausage pizza, watermelon, some blueberries, pretty easy, straightforward lunch. Great for a grocery shopping day. So we pulled out an array of things for lunch here. The main was chicken nuggets for today. That's what the kids wanted, so I pulled out some grapes. The kids pulled out some of the Oreos. They're having 1 or 2 Oreos for like a fun thing for their lunch. I cut up some cucumbers, pulled out the watermelon. This is spinach from the garden. I'm gonna do salad. Pulled out more grapes here, thing of apples. Got out some ketchup, some ranch, and I'm gonna make myself a salad and then finish off some of the leftover pizza from yesterday that we had for lunch. So I'm gonna make a big salad with some of these things and finish off that pizza. So this is just like a really quick, easy lunch. Just heat up some chicken nuggets, and then everyone's having their desired fruit and vegetable side, and then a fun Oreo. So that kind of sums up what lunch was for today. I'd show you some plates, but they're pretty much all already gone. So that was the kids' lunch. This day we pulled out a leftover noodle dish that we had the night prior for dinner, and then I made a fresh side salad for whoever wanted it. So this was my salad, and this dinner was really good. If I can remember to link it down below, I will, but my oldest found this on Pinterest and we made it together, and it was super easy, very quick, really great meatballs, and this is what we had because it made so much, so we had leftovers for lunch. This is lunch today. I'm down a plate because Cleo could not wait. She's very hungry, but homemade Crustables with peanut butter and blackberry jam, carrots, apple slices, a couple salamis for the kids, and then I have one kid who doesn't like carrots, so they're just gonna have more apples and no carrots. I'll probably pull out a box of Goldfish or something, or whatever kind of crunchy snack we have open to plop on these as well for the kids, and that's gonna be lunch for today. I'm just gonna make myself a really big salad. I spent this morning canning, so you're gonna have to excuse the mess behind me. I haven't had time to clean that up yet, but I have a lot of salad mix that I want to use up, and some lettuce, or some spinach from the garden rather. So I'm just gonna make myself a really big bowl of salad with some hard-boiled eggs, and that's going to be my lunch for today. Today for lunch we're doing Strombolis. One of the kids' favorites. These are stuffed with just pepperoni, ham, cheese. We did cheddar this time because that's what I had in the fridge, and then this one also has Monterey Jack for Joe and I. It's a little bit more spicy. It's kind of like, it's a Monterey Jack pepper cheese, like pepper jack cheese. There we go. It has been a long day already, you guys. But that's what's in here, and then we always top it with a little bit of butter, garlic salt, and then some Parmesan cheese, and it makes it like a breadstick. It's so good, you guys, and we're dipping that in some of our home canned pizza sauce. And then the kids is all the same things except minus the spicy cheese. It's just plain cheddar. So that's what they're having for lunch, but that's for the kids. For Jill and myself, this will make leftovers, and then Joe can bring the rest of it to work tomorrow for lunch or something along those lines, but it will be eaten. Sometimes the kids like to eat these leftovers for breakfast. It's pretty good. So this is what we're working on for lunch today. I personally am a huge fan of really quick, convenient lunches. As you can see, we utilize a lot of leftovers. And if we aren't using leftovers where there's usually vegetables kind of mixed into the actual leftovers itself, like in some of those pasta dishes that we were having left over, or some of the quesadillas that we had left over over the last week or two, or whatever it is, we will try to do a fresh fruit and a fresh vegetable on the side with whatever we're doing. I have no problem mixing and matching different fruits, vegetables, and sides for kids, or even for myself. A lot of the times we just spread out on the island here. I'll pull out all of our fruits and all of our vegetables, and everybody can kind of come pick and make their plate how they want it, including my 1.5-year-old. She'll hop up on a chair up here and she will very proudly tell me what she wants on her plate, and I'm totally fine with that. That's really how we construct lunches most of the time. Lunch will always be leftovers first if that's what we have. If we don't have leftovers, it's usually something very simple like sandwiches, quesadillas, roll-ups, and then, like I said, filling it in with yogurts, fresh fruits and vegetables, or string cheese, or maybe some crackers from the pantry, or something crunchy, some goldfish, some pretzels, things like that. I hope that this video gave you guys some ideas, or maybe just answered some questions on how we kind of format lunches, especially during summer when all of the kids are home. During the school year, I do pack lunches for my school kids, so it's really not that different budget-wise for us. It's just kind of different for them on what they're actually eating, which is why I try not to do too many sandwiches during the summer, or too many things that I like normally pack in their lunches, because it's summer break and I want them to have a break from not only school, but from like their school lunches and whatnot. So that's why we try to do a lot of leftovers, or just like some more fun things that I would not normally pack in their lunches. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with me. I hope wherever you are having a fantastic day. I hope you got some sunshine, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love